Myself Trupti Sahara. I am the student of M. Sri Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Paikmal Bargarh. Today we celebrate National Youth Day in our school. Youth Day is recognized as the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekanand. His birth name was Narendra Dutta and his father name was Vishwanath Dutta. His mother was Bhuvneshwari Devi. His famous guru was Ramakrishnan Paramahansa. National Youth Day was celebrate with be confident to inspire the youth of our nation and our country. We can feel proud for our country to become a younger citizens of our country.
Myself Khushi Subudhi. I am the student of PM Sri Jawahar Navodaya Paikmal Bargarh. Today on this National Youth Day, I want to say something. Today, the National Youth Day is celebrated on 12th January every year. It is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekanand. His real name was Narendranath Dutta and his father was Vishwakarma Dutta and his mother was Bhuvneshwari Devi. He was born on 12th January 1863 in Calcutta, and he was a role model for the younger generations. His famous quote was, "Arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached." He also said that the youths are the real strength of the nation. With strong determination and goodwill, we can make our country proud. And on this National Youth Day, let us promise to follow the ideals and values of Swami Vivekanand and work for the progress of the country. Thank you.
I am Dr. Rashmiranjan Patnaik, PhD Geography. Today we celebrated National Youth Day, directed by Government of India. We have to make our country Viksit Bharat by 2047. To make India Viksit Bharat or developed country by 2047, we should empower our youth, encourage our youth for greater participation in the nation building. Our youth are our strength. We are a very young country, and our youth can guide us our country to a developed country by 2047. Thank you.
मो जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय पाइकमाल भारप्राप्त प्राचार्य। आज आम विद्यालय नेशनल यूथ डे सेलिब्रेशन करागला। आमे प्रथमे मॉर्निंग एसेम्बली या पालन कलु। तापरे आम पिला मानक मध्यरे आमे पाइकमाल जाए गणदौड़ आरंभ कलु एवं आम विद्यालय जो मॉर्निंग एसेम्बली होता से आमे जो नेशनल यूथ डे पालन कलु से पिला माने वक्तृता प्रदान कले, आम शिक्षक मैंने वक्तृता प्रदान कले। ता सहित आम या खूब धूमधाम पालन कलु।